Hello friends, Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE has recently taken some very good initiatives to provide free of cost training to all the teachers of CBSE affiliated schools. Taking this initiative one step ahead, CBSE has recently come out with two very important courses. The first one is storytelling as pedagogy and second one is cybersecurity. Both these courses were introduced through the circulars, storytelling through circular number 43 and cybersecurity through circular number 52. Here, I will take you through these courses, the circulars in brief, and how to join these courses. Many teachers are facing issues in joining the courses as they are not aware that they have to log in to these courses through their specially issued email IDs. Let's see how can you reach and read the circulars and then how can you join the courses. So this is the official CBSE website. Here we have the quick navigation menu. It has some drop-down options. You can go to academics. You will reach the academic site over here. You will find three tabs. The first one is academic, second one is training, and third one is skill education. You need to click on the training tab and you will find both these courses right on top over there. The first one is online training program on storytelling as pedagogy. This course was introduced through circular number 43, as you can see here, which was issued on 10th of June. I will not go through the circular in detail. You can find this circular on CBSE site and read the circular well because it has a lot of information on how to join this course and how to complete and then how to obtain the certificate. Yes, CBSE is issuing the certificates to all the teachers who complete this course. So that's a very important and a welcome step. Here we have the link to join this course. You can click on this link. This link is active since 14th of June. So you will come to this blog post where you will find the cohort for this course. Some teachers click on this cohort and they are not able to join the course because this link is not active anymore. Here I would like to give a special mention that one cohort is available for only first 2000 participants, and once 2000 participants join the course through one cohort, then it becomes deactive. But again, a fresh new cohort is created by CBSE, which you can find here in Read More tab. So once we click that Read More, we find cohort number 13, a new cohort for the same course. You can click on the cohort and you will be guided to the course. These courses are provided through Google Classroom. You have to join these courses by using your special email IDs issued by the school. These IDs have been shared by CBSE with your school and school principal. If you have not got these IDs, you can request your principal to provide you these IDs. And if the principal also has not got the IDs, then he or she can contact CBSE Center of Excellence, COE, and request them to provide email IDs to the teachers. As you can see here, this one email ID with cbsedigital.edu.in is the ID which is required to join this course. If you try to join this course with any other email ID, you will not be able to join. So you must have this unique email ID, which is unique for every teacher, and its password. Both will be issued to you by your school principal after getting it from CBSE Center of Excellence. So I have this email ID. Let me take you further. When I click on this email ID, it will take me to the Google Classroom where I can join this class. Those teachers who are going to use these email IDs for the first time, they will be asked to change the password, and you must change the password, because if you won't change and if that password is available for someone else, that person can join the course on your behalf and can obtain the certificate, but you will be deprived of doing this course, as this course can be done once only. So be very particular about your email ID and its password, change the password, and then join the class. Now let me join the class. So I have come to this cohort 13. So whatever is the cohort number, it doesn't matter. The course remains the same. You can come to classwork tab, and here you will find all 5 units of the course. This course is of maximum 5 hours or so duration. So you can easily do this course in one day, but it will depend on you if you want to do it in more number of days. So you can take some more days as well. So you can go through all the units which are there. Some units are related to the reading material only. You have to read the material well. And some units have some videos which you have to watch in order to understand the course completely. So unit after unit, you can complete this whole course, and then at the end of the unit, there will be an assessment for certification. So you can take this assessment at the end of the course and be eligible for the certificate, which will be issued to you through that circular only. Here is the link for the certificate, which will be available to download from 5th of August. So if you complete the course before 5th of August, right on 5th of August, you will be able to download the certificate from this link. But as I mentioned, there is one more course which has been introduced by CBSE, and that is training program on cyber security. The procedure remains the same for this course as well. And in future also, for whatever courses CBSE will introduce, the procedure will remain the same. So this is circular number 52, which was issued by CBSE on 7th of July. Here also you can read all the details in the circular yourself. This is the link for the course. And as you can see, the procedure will remain the same. This is the cohort number 5 for the course. You can click on the cohort. It will take you through the same process to your classroom. Again, you can join the class. Here I will just give you a demo. If you try to log in through a wrong ID, how will it react? So I'm trying to log in through my usual ID. It says wrong account. Your account cannot access this class. Switch to the correct account for classroom or contact your teacher. So now I will join through my CBSE Digital Edu.in ID. And now you can see, once I click this ID, I'm able to join the course. So this is cohort number 5. And this is the course for cybersecurity. Again, it has same 5 units where there will be reading material as well as videos. And at the end, there will be assessment as well. So once you go through all the 5 units and complete the reading as well as watching videos, you can take assessment, and then you will be eligible for the certificate, which is again there on the circular itself. The link is available. So through this link, from 6th of September onward, you can obtain your certificate. Here there is one more interesting thing. If you click on this people tab, here you will find the number of teachers who are at present attempting this course, storytelling as pedagogy. So 1,960 teachers are attempting this course at present. This is the course on cybersecurity. If you will click on people tab over here, then let's see how many people are attempting this course. So at present, 1,279 teachers are attempting this course. So you can also join this course. Join it soon and complete it and obtain your certificate. So best wishes from the side of Central Board of Secondary Education. Hope all of you have been benefited by this video and you will be able to complete the course on time and will get a lot of knowledge which will be further imparted to all the students and parents through you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Join all the courses in future as well.